Totally Joe Rock and Roll reporting to you live for Action News. First on the scene here, first responders have arrived. We have an accident, and I have live footage on the first report on this. First reporter on the scene. Unfortunately, it's a tragic situation. A pedestrian has been hit and killed, and here is the footage that I just captured at the scene. Joe Rock and Roll at the scene of a possible massive collision early Monday morning, coming into Krakow. Let's see what's going on. It's really hard to know what we got here. I see at least 2 squad cars. I see officers on the street. Lights are blasting. Lights are flaring. Now, if you know this area is just north of the Gallery Bronowice, and it is a known police checkpoint. And I don't know if it's just a traffic stop or if there's been some kind of collision. There's obviously some people here been pulled over. Is there signs of damage? Possibly a... Oh my God! Oh my God! It's a dead body! It's a body back there! Oh shit! It was a body! Yo man, somebody got hit probably in that crosswalk. Please, people. God damn it, there's a reason why they have these cops here, you know, doing radar, because people are getting killed crossing the street. Slow down.